Solitaire Cash says withdrawal requests are usually processed within a couple of days, but its official withdrawal instructions also say processing can take up to 14 days, with players usually receiving funds within 2 business days. Solitaire Cash. So if you're waiting for a Solitaire Cash payout, the realistic answer is that it can be quick, but you shouldn't assume the money will arrive immediately. Here's exactly how the process works and what can slow it down. First, you need to submit the withdrawal from inside the app. Tap the purple menu icon, choose Account, open Withdrawal, check your withdrawable amount, enter the amount, and submit the request. Solitaire Cash says there is a minimum withdrawal amount, and that a withdrawal processing fee is deducted. Solitaire Cash. To know. There's also a detail that can affect where your money goes. Solitaire Cash says withdrawals may be processed as refunds to the original payment method you used for purchases in the game. Changing your payment method later doesn't change where an existing withdrawal is sent. Solitaire Cash 3. The timing has 2 parts. Solitaire Cash says withdrawal requests are processed within 14 days, but players usually receive their funds within 2 business days. Its separate help page describes the processing period as typically taking a couple of days, and says the final arrival time can depend on your bank or payment processor. Solitaire Cash tone. That means you shouldn't treat 2 business days as a guaranteed maximum. It's the usual time frame the company gives, while 14 days is the stated processing limit. Identity verification can also matter. If Solitaire Cash asks you to verify your identity, the company says completing verification is mandatory before you can withdraw cash winnings. The process involves scanning a valid government-issued photo ID and taking a selfie. Solitaire Cash 4C. If your withdrawal is taking longer than expected, check your confirmation email first. If you need support, Solitaire Cash asks users to include the withdrawal date and withdrawal reference number when reporting a withdrawal issue. Solitaire Cash 5. So the key numbers are 82 business days usually, with 1 to 14 days for processing. Your bank or payment processor can affect the final arrival time. If you're waiting right now, check your withdrawal confirmation and make sure identity verification is complete before contacting support. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 cash game guides.